Okay, Plenty Sashimi. She's a chef, and she's gonna teach us how to make the perfect fried egg.
But still, the comment section is gonna be like, that's not how you do it.
Of course.
Anyway, I'll start with an over easy egg. I'll go with a medium-high heat.
Okay.
I let that heat up a little bit.
Let that heat up a little bit.
Yeah.
Do a Kerman dance.
Okay,
How long do you let it heat for?
about a minute.
Okay.
You just do the hand test.
Okay.
You don't want it too hot for eggs. Oh, I know. So you want the butter in the
Believe it or not.
in the pan.
So how much butter? Just like a
Yeah, it looks like a teaspoon.
teaspoon
Depends.
butter?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Swirl that around.
Yeah. So a good measure is to make sure the butter is slightly foamy.
Okay.
Butter burns really easily. You
Noted.
don't want to make it too hot.
It's like art.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
The longer you stare at it, the more delicious it becomes. Speed it up a little bit.
And do you have anything against Teflon pans?
No, I do not.
Okay. They didn't give your parrot cancer or anything?
No. I'm not sure. Just don't cook it at a really, really high heat. Don't throw it in a 500-degree oven. If you cook things at a low temperature, you should be good.
You gave my brother cancer. I'm gonna cut that out. So how do you crack it?
Alright, so cracking an egg on the flat surface, okay, not on the edge, on the flat surface, because then the shells won't go inside.
Oh.
You can thank Jacques Papin for that one.
Jacques Papin. Fancy.
Ooh.
Does that look like a healthy yolk to you?
Yes.
Healthy
The
yolk.
whites are a little bit runny, so it's probably a little bit of an older egg, but
Oh, is that
we'll make it work.
all this knowledge, the secret chef knowledge? Right.
On the gas. So leave it alone, don't touch.
Okay.
Like you can season it now. In fancy hotels, they don't season with black pepper
Oh.
because it makes the black specks in there.
Oh.
But we're not a fancy hotel.
I like the black specks.
Yeah.
What are they, racist or something?
Yeah, probably.
Oh, that's how you keep the edges. Oh, that's so fancy.
So when I flip it, I like to keep the loose whites on towards me, and
Okay.
then like the harder whites
Oh.
on that side. Okay, now I'm going to flip.
Whoa. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Oh! So fancy. It's amazing.
So over easy. I like my eggs over easy. Around 10 seconds on that side. You can even shut the heat off. The residual heat will cook that side. I know a lot of people, oh, I can never eat the yolks runny. Then just cook it longer. Easy.
Science.
Yeah.
Mathematics.
Presentation side up. We'll flip it back up.
Whoa!
And then slide that on the plate.
On the plate?
Yeah.
How could I have failed so hard? Ah.
Now we'll do a sunny side up egg. Do you want a sunny side up egg or?
Yeah, let's have a sunny side up right beside it. Alright. Same
So
thing.
I'm gonna use the same pan.
Hmm?
And there's butter in there already. I just put a little bit more.
It's like half a teaspoonish.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it smells so good.
It's a little bit hot. No problem. Just let it.
Ooh. Chefing.
There's a little discoloration there, but whatever. Again, season. Always season everything. When you make sandwiches, season the tomatoes too.
Oh,
Salt,
interesting.
pepper.
Never even thought of that.
Season the avocado.
Okay. Okay. Do the scrapey thing?
So sunny side up is I think it takes a little longer because you need the white to cook all the way through. And a good cheat thing to do is to actually put it in the oven.
Oh.
But our oven isn't on, so we'll just
Dang.
wait. This is where we speed things up.
Do your funny dance again.
Ow.
That's gonna be good. Speed it up. Lonely. She's so lonely. She's a lonely teardrop.
I know Debo does the lid method, which is perfectly fine to speed things up. That's called basting.
Oh, it has a name.
Yes.
Oh.
You put a little bit of water in there and you put the lid on.
Oh, to make more steam? Oh, I never even did that.
Yeah.
I didn't know what I was doing.
There's another way. Basting's also if you put a lot of butter in the pan and then you baste the butter onto the egg white.
Oh. To like help it
Yeah.
cook quicker because of the heated butter?
And that's
Jeez, you chefs know everything.
And chefs
So
do
many
that
secrets.
now with steaks and
Okay.
butter
thing.
basting.
Is that a new hip thing?
No.
Is that an old hip
Yeah.
thing?
You can also break the yolk a little, or the white, sorry, not break the yolk. To just move that snotty part off.
Oh. I hate that snotty part.
I like the snotty part because I'm gross.
You're snotty.
So, in culinary school, you're taught to not have any color on your whites. When you make eggs, omelets, no color, just white.
Oh.
But I feel like things are changing a little bit.
What do you mean no color? Like no burniness?
brown.
Like even on the bottom?
Yeah.
Oh.
So, but I think trending now is
Toasty.
doesn't matter.
I like the crunchy brown bits.
I think that's done.
Okay.
So that's a sunny side up egg.
Beautiful.
Again, people are gonna complain about this,
The white thing on
but
there.
I like it. I like it. So that's why I cook it like that. I'm even gonna lick my finger and touch it and get you all mad. Just kidding.
That's really inappropriate. You can't serve that in a restaurant. Did you know that? I worked in Arby's and
See, no gloves too.
oh
You
my
guys
god.
triggered?
Oh my god. Call the police. Cool. And there you have it. That's a professionally cooked fried egg right there times dose by Plenty Sashimi.
I have a smell though.
There you go.